Welcome. In today's guide, we're diving into a quick and efficient way to mute a chat on WhatsApp using the desktop app on your PC. Whether you're looking to minimize distractions or silence notifications from a busy group chat, this simple shortcut will help you stay focused. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat section where all your conversations are listed. Take a moment to locate the specific chat you'd like to mute. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat, whatever is causing those constant notifications. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you've entered the chat you want to mute, simply press Ctrl Plus Shift Plus M on your keyboard. This powerful shortcut instantly mutes the selected chat without any additional steps or menus. No need to search for options or click through settings, just one quick command and you're done. Once muted, you'll still receive messages from this chat, but your device won't vibrate or make notification sounds. Additionally, no badge count will appear for unread messages unless someone mentions you directly. This feature is perfect for silencing distractions while staying connected when it matters most. And that's it. You've successfully muted a chat using the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus M. If you ever need to unmute the chat, simply repeat these steps and toggle it back on. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to explore other keyboard shortcuts available on WhatsApp desktop. They can save you time and make your messaging experience even smoother.